Here are some fascinating facts about the northern flicker. Unique woodpecker. Unlike many woodpeckers, northern flickers often forage on the ground, primarily for ants and beetles. Distinctive color. They display a flash of red or yellow under their wings and tail, depending on their geographic location. Two color variants. Northern flickers come in two subspecies, the yellow-shafted in the east and red-shafted in the west. Specialized tongues. Their tongues are long, sticky, and coated with barbs, ideal for catching insects. Incredible call. Their loud, repetitive wick-a-wick-a-wick call can be heard over great distances. Unique drum beat. Flickers drum on hollow surfaces to communicate and establish territory. Anteaters. Ants make up nearly 45% of a northern flicker's diet, and they even eat ant larvae. Mating dance. Males perform a fencing dance to win a mate, displaying to impress females. Cavity nesters. They excavate holes in trees for nesting, which other birds may later use. Ground foragers. Unusual among woodpeckers, they spend significant time hopping on the ground to forage. Unique flying style. Their flight pattern involves a series of quick wing flaps followed by gliding. Large home range. Flickers can be found throughout North America and even parts of Central America. Monogamous pairing. Northern flickers form monogamous pairs and often return to the same nesting area each year. Migratory birds. Some populations migrate south for the winter, while others remain in place year-round. Camouflaged eggs. Their eggs are white, helping them blend in within their dark nest cavities. Winter roosting. They often roost in tree cavities in winter to stay warm. Distinctive call sounds. They make a clayer call and a sharp keo-keo sound. Insect control. They help control pest populations, especially ants and beetles. Drumming ritual. Males drum to establish territory and attract mates. Wood chipping for nests. Flickers use their sharp beaks to chip away wood and create their nests. Longevity. They can live up to 9 years in the wild, sometimes longer in captivity. Feathered nose. They have small, bristly feathers around their nostrils to keep out dust. Predators. Hawks, snakes, and raccoons are their primary predators. Winter diet change. In winter, they may consume more berries and seeds due to limited insect availability. Recognizable face markings. Males have a distinctive black mustache marking on their faces. Fast flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Adaptable habitat. Found in forests, woodlands, suburbs, and even parks. Energy efficient digging. They can dig into tough surfaces without expending much energy. Social birds. Flickers may gather in small groups outside of the breeding season. Head bobbing. During courtship, males bob their heads and make unique sounds. Incredible sense of smell. They can detect chemical signals from ants and other prey. Effective pest controllers. Their diet helps control insect populations in various ecosystems. Multi-purpose beaks. Their beaks are both tools for digging and a means to communicate. Home invaders. Flickers sometimes explore human structures, looking for potential nesting sites. Distinctive mustache mark. The red-shafted variant sports a red mustache, while the yellow-shafted has a black one. Diet variety. Besides insects, they eat berries, seeds, and even some small fruits. Aggressive drummers. They drum on objects like gutters and chimneys, leading to interesting human interactions. Home territory. Mated pairs defend territories up to 40 acres. Early nesters. Northern flickers start breeding early in spring, often in late April. Egg laying. Females lay between 5 to 8 eggs per clutch, which both parents incubate. Protective parents. They actively defend their nest and young against predators. Flexible with nest sites. If trees aren't available, they'll nest in other wooden structures. First-class climbers, they can climb vertical surfaces with the help of their stiff tail feathers. Impressive call range, flickers have a diverse range of calls for different situations. Amazing ears, their excellent hearing helps them locate prey even beneath soil or leaf litter. Migration for warmth, some northern flickers migrate from colder areas to warmer climates during winter. High altitude, they can live at elevations of up to 10,000 feet in mountainous areas. Tail-stabilized perching, their tails help them balance while pecking at trees. Rarely uses feeders, flickers typically don't visit bird feeders, as they prefer foraging. Wing spots, both subspecies display dark spots on their wings, making them easy to identify. Beneficial ground pecking, their ground pecking loosens soil, aiding aeration. Sensitive beaks, their beaks contain pressure-sensitive nerves to detect wood density. Visual hunters, they primarily use their vision to locate food. Cultural symbol, the northern flicker appears in Native American stories, often symbolizing communication. Sibling cooperation, nestlings sometimes cooperate, helping each other climb out of the nest. Leathery feet, they have tough feet, which help them grip various surfaces. Eggshell color, their eggs are smooth, glossy, and have a slight pinkish tint.